How to repost a tweet on Instagram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. To repost a tweet on Instagram, what you have to do is you have to firstly go to any of the tweets that you want to screenshot, that you want to simply you want to repost. So you have to screenshot the tweet that you want to repost. Let's see, I screenshot this shot this tweet, and then what you have to do is you have to go to the Canva app. You have to download the Canva app, and then you have to go to the Canva app homepage, and then click on the Instagram post, and then click on the blank button. And then what you have to do is then you have to up, upload your a screenshot on this and you have to go to the gallery icon in the bottom, and then click on, and then here you have to select the screenshot, and then you have to select the screenshot part that you want to post. And then after that what you have to do is you have to change the color of the this tweet by color of your this Instagram by choosing the black color, and then here you can see it is. And after that you have to save this image. So after saving the image, you have to go to the Instagram, and then you have to uh, repost this tweet to repost on Instagram. So you have to click on the next button, and then you can add the filter, and then you can click on the next button in the top right corner. You can add a caption or and then you can click on the done in the top right corner, and your tweet is uh, reposted. So that's basically that how you can repost a tweet on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate